This is Trying P from Trying P TV. I'm here to speak about the latest seizure of 15 high-powered firearms, 1 ballistic vest, and 4,000 rounds of ammunition at the Kingston Wars by the Jamaica Constabulary yesterday. This proves me right again. The garrisons which the government and opposition proudly speak about are the areas where these guns and ammunitions are destined. And these areas continue to need supplies of arms and ammunition of war from the merchants of death overseas. I commend the Jamaica Constabulary for a job well done and hope with more intelligence, patrols, roadblocks, and boarding of suspicious vessels, foreign and local, the receivers of these arms and ammunition will be starved till they go back to fist fighting, if it's fighting they love so much. Looking at the display of the recovered arms and ammunition, I see assault rifles with a range of up to 1 mile under certain circumstances, which can fire rapidly or 1 round at a time, depending on the setting. I also see magazines that can hold 30 to 40 rounds at a time. High-powered pistols, which can be concealed on the garment or in a bag, etc., with magazines which can hold up to 21 rounds of ammunition. Wow, this is serious. Adding these to those that are already on the island. People who know the whereabouts of these gunmen or guns and ammunition, please give them up to the police, or these same guns and ammunition you know about may be used against you, a friend, or family member, either deliberately or accidentally, because the hands that these weapons are getting into, these individuals are not trained to use these weapons. These individuals are not soldiers. These individuals are not policemen. Okay? Give them up to the authorities. Jamaica is not at war, or are we at war against each other? Think about what I say. This goes for the cops too. Give up members connected to these weapons of mass destruction entering our beautiful country. Please share, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.